Tarot reading with Shayesta. Libra, hi. This is going to be a reading for you today from November the 25th to the 2nd of December, and I shall be taking a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card from right here, which will serve as messages from the universe. All right. The two decks I'm using today is the Angel Guide Oracle deck by Kyle Gray, and I'm using my favorite 5 Cents Tarot for the regular read. Alright, I also want to take this opportunity to let you know that you need to remember that these readings are all general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you. This could be for you, your person, or the situation you're dealing with, or even cross-watchers who are probably cross-watching for someone else of the zodiac. So there are a lot of energies out there, so just take in what resonates with you in the reading and leave the rest. Alright, that should be the advice that I'd like you to kind of remember. Also, if you're looking at a personal reading from me, please feel free to contact me for all the information regarding the same on the email address that's been provided below. Alright, let's start with you, Libra, for the week of 25th November to the 2nd of December 2020. Alright. For Libra, what's happening with Libra? Alright, the overall energy that I see for your reading, Libra, is that of the Empress. Alright, someone who is extremely focused, who is focusing on their children, their family right now. You've got that nurturing spirit in you suddenly, and you have kind of taken on the role of a mother, or just generally someone who has those qualities, to take care of someone, to be responsible for someone, taking on responsibilities, taking care of people's emotional needs. You just been there for someone. Let's see where this kind of fits in for you. In the recent past, I see the King of Wands. I see the unknown, which is the divine faith, and I also see movement with the 8 of Wands. Something happened which kind of gave you a vision of intent. You kind of got ambitious at work or towards some project perhaps in the past, which kind of gave you that feeling of being extremely, maybe it was a little overbearing, but you kind of decided to take this on, as a route to your success at work. You found, that there are ways you can kind of make something real, make it happen for you, work for you, so that you are successful at what you do. And this was with a strong area that, that a lot of people know about you, Libra. You are extremely spiritual. So I think that inner faith or the divine faith that you have in the Almighty, and that fear of not being scared of the unknown, like some people are scared of a particular reason. In your case, I don't think there's any fear, of someone or a situation. You're not really scared. So I think that kind of gives you an overall edge to take that plunge forward and say, hey, I don't lose anything. Let me give this a shot. It's something like that I see that's probably happened with you, where you saw an opportunity and you just kind of dived in to go and get that. With that inner faith, okay, in yourself and the divine, I think you just decided to go forward, and you went forward really swiftly at the right time, because I see solid movement that kind of took over you. You kind of decided to just probably just go out there, and you even have traveled recently. Probably then you did travel back there and make something happen, if it was with a relationship or to connect with someone, or even if it was something with regards to work. I see that there was movement. It was not just you having the intent, you kind of saw that through. Okay, that's what I see in the past, and out of concern, it was just pure concern. And I think that's where this kind of card does make sense with the overall nurturing spirit. Okay, when I look at your current energies, I see the Six of Swords, I see the Ten of Cups, and I see the Knight of Pentacles. So very, very clearly, I see the rite of passage, where you think that you have got what you deserved, what you worked very hard for. And I think you are enjoying the fruits of all that labor and hard work and that focus that you had, which probably somebody else didn't have. You were very confident about a situation, and I see you moving towards that. You made something very unreal real. You made something which was probably not someone even thought of or expected out of you. You actually have made that happen in the past, and I see that you're claiming the prize now by moving in that direction of success. You've already probably been acknowledged. If you're at work, your success has been noted. You have been definitely awarded or appreciated or applauded for that, because you have turned successful in whatever you set out to do. I see a lot of family bliss for you currently. Things are going great guns for you. I see a lot of harmony. I see a lot of balance. And I see a lot of, that fear of separation, even in your relationship, or that distance. I don't see that. I see a lot of bonding, a lot of strength, and a lot of family values. So I think you're giving a lot of time to your family as well, or the people who you really love. And Librans, you're not someone who really cares about anyone who's not in that circle of trust, or someone who's that very close to you. So I'm thinking that this is definitely your family that you're really concerned about, and you're taking good care of them, and you are in the state of family bliss, clearly, with the Ten of Cups here. I also see that the responsibility, the patience with which you're handling the whole thing has been extremely commendable, and you are doing that currently. Again, you've taken on that role of responsibility, and I think the people around you also see that you are taking responsibility for the people around you, and you're taking care of them. What I see for you going forward is the Three of Wands, which I see that there is going to be some foresight, some expansion and progress in your work and in whatever you set out to do. I see a lot of work being put into it, and I see you taking that plunge. You have that foresight now. Now that you have tried something in the past and it kind of worked with you, you have now got that confidence to now think ahead, have that foresight. You know how to acquire what you want. You kind of now know the ways around. Okay, and I see you looking at expanding your plans. I see you progressing in that direction. I also see a lot of wisdom and morality, and I see a lot of that. Okay, where I see a kind of a balance in your beliefs. I think you have kind of matured through this entire process, or whatever that you went through, and I think today you stand as someone who people respect, someone with authority, not just at work, even in your family. People do realize that they may have overshot your capabilities. They may have overlooked what you have become. You seem to have become somebody who's extremely nurturing, someone who's a natural at it, who can take care of things, who's responsible, who has the foresight. And I see that happening for you even at work. So I see a lot of wisdom and a lot of compassion that's going to come into you with this Empress card. I'm not surprised because looks like you have kind of ticked all the boxes now when it comes to not just being a practical person, but also being someone who thinks from the heart. You are sensitive now to people. You're calm. I think that's always been a strength. You're being calm and being at comfort when you take decisions. But I don't see any confused decisions. I see a person who's extremely foresighted, someone who's calm, collected, and who's making the right decisions with their head on their shoulder. So I see something really going well for you. Your family life is great. You have kind of got that balance between work and your personal life. And I think even at work, you have kind of, developed that kind of a rapport with your colleagues and your superiors, where they kind of look at you as someone who will take care of, something. So I definitely see this has been a great week for you, and it will continue to be so as far as work is concerned and family is concerned. All right, let's go on to look, Libra, at what the messages for you are from the universe. Messages for you from the universe for the week of 25th to the 2nd of December. 25th November to the 2nd of December. What's happening with Libra? Please give us a message. I see a lot of romance and connection, like I told you even earlier. So I think the universe is kind of just reiterating that point here and kind of just stabilizing my thoughts on that. I see you having a great connection with your partner, your family. I see a lot of romance blooming and a lot of oneness happening with you and them. I see you closer than ever. I also see you doing the work, as in, I think you've always been, like I said, you are a very spiritual person, and I think you have immense faith in the Almighty and the Divine, and I think that's what's coming, in your favor right now in every way, because you're being rewarded for all your patience in the past and your undenying faith in Him. And I think I see that you're doing the work, but it's all coming through because of the Divine watching over you and your angels watching over you. I also see this as a time where you are ready to manifest whatever you want. So the universe says, very clearly here that you probably need to manifest what you want and keep wanting the things you want manifested. That's very important. Some of us manifest things which may not be for the good or for the better good. We manifest things we don't want sometimes without realizing it, because we think so much into the negatives. But I think what I see for you here is it's all your manifestations coming through, and you continue to be like that, extremely positive in the way you're going. So that's what I have for you, Libra, for this week. I will now only see you next week. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay safe.